Hi there, welcome back to another video. If you have just woken up, then good morning and let's get moving. This yoga flow is a 15 minutes for your mornings. All you need yoga mat, yourself, and of course a will to flow with me. So let's get started without wasting any minute. First, sit comfortably however you want. Just relax and center yourself and try to keep your chest open, spine straight, hands over the thighs or over your knees or at the heart. And then start breathing as I say. And try to focus on your breathing, that's more important to center yourself. Inhale and then exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. With the exhale, start moving your body gently and open your eyes. Take your hands in front of the body and start moving your wrists up and down and probably rotate your wrists clockwise and anti-clockwise to waken up your hand, your wrist, and take your hands to the side of your body and start making some bigger circles using your shoulder and shoulder blade strength. Try to move them forward and backward in both the direction 5 times each. And then interlock your fingers and bring them back of your head and move your hand up and down and remember to keep your chest open and stay active here. Then as you exhale, twist to the left side, inhale to center, again exhale to right, inhale to center. And then inhale, take your hands all the way up, exhale, bring it to the chest. Inhale all the way up, making a big circle, and then exhale. Inhale and raise your right hand. Place the left palm on the floor and then keep looking ahead on the right side. And as you breathe, you try to give a good, nice stretch to the right side of the body. And then, of course, change your side and do the same from the other side. This time, you look at the left side and feel the stretch in your right side of the body. And breathe and then exhale, release. Now, move your hands in a free flow manner to create some more openness in your upper body. And once you do so, start making circles using your shoulders. Move them backward and forward. 5 rounds on both ways. And then eventually bring the left hand down and raise your right hand all the way to make a deeper stretch to the right side by bringing the left elbow down and sit bone completely down and stretching all the way up. Now change your side to the other side and hold it for 2 to 3 breaths this pose. Exhale, release, interlock your finger again above your head and then exhale to the side, inhale back and exhale to the other side. Inhale back to the center and then from here come on all fours. Have your palms grounded completely. You may choose to tuck your toes in. And then inhale here and exhale, push your hips back over the heels. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, push your hips back. Inhale, do it couple of rounds and then start moving your body from side to side. And then ultimately bring your hands down, your forearm down. Interlock together, make a feast and then melt your hip down and then inhale here and exhale, curl your spine. Inhale and exhale, Marjariasana. As you inhale, look up all the way up and exhale, curl your spine, chin to chest. Inhale again. Exhale. Inhale. Extend right hand and left leg at the back. Use your core. You can tuck your toe inwards. Exhale, back to the center. Inhale, extend all the way. Exhale to center. Inhale, extend and exhale, release. Inhale Extend left hand and right leg. Exhale. Inhale and then exhale. Inhale, exhale and release. And then from here, as you inhale, exhale, lift your left leg at the back and try to hold the feet using your right hand. Have a stable balance and use your core and arm strength to stabilize yourself as you breathe in and out. And then exhale, release. Again, inhale here. Exhale, lift the right leg back and use your left hand to grab the toe. Again, this time have the right palm really stabilized down and breathe and exhale, release. Now from here, extend your arms forward and relax yourself in child's pose. Take a big inhale and exhale here and then sit up right in Vajrasana. Now at this point, stand and keep your knees slightly bended. Have the hands together and practice ragdoll from side to side. From right to center and then to left and then to center. Hands gently passing away all the way, stand tall. Inhale, hands goes up. Exhale, fold forward. Keep your knees still bent and try to watch your spine being straight and then exhale, stand tall. Again, inhale, raise your hands up and exhale. Gently try to straighten your legs but still keep your knees bent to your ease and then exhale. Hands over the hips and stand straight. Inhale again. Exhale. With control, fold forward and hold here for 5 rounds of breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hands at the hips and gently stand straight. Now feet 4 to 5 feet apart. One right foot out. Inhale, hands goes in the air and exhale into Trikonasana. Your right hand could be at the shin bone or over the knee or holding the big toe, and while the left hand straighten up, look forward or look ahead and then hold it and breathe and then exhale, come to the neutral position. As you exhale to the side, breathe into Trikonasana. Breathe nicely. Hold it up there and then exhale and release. Now come to the forward of the mat and then bring the left foot back in the lower lunge. Take the wall support if you feel wobbly, or try to push your knee forward, bringing the hips down in the squared form. Have hands at the heart center or lift them up all the way up. Inhale right up here. As you exhale, hands goes to the sides of the hip and breathe back to the center and then change your leg. This time right leg goes back and again take wall support if you have to, and then when you feel stabilized, push your knees slightly forward, bring the hips down and hands over the heart center, over the hips or over the head, whatever makes you feel more aligned. But remember to keep chest open and breathe. Breathe nicely. And then as you exhale, lower down your hands, bring the left foot back and then breathe. Now from here, lie down over your stomach and hands right next to the shoulder. As you inhale, gently lift yourself up while keeping the toes pointed at the back. Do not strain your neck or shoulder, just go as high you can. Then exhale, lower down. Inhale, this time try to go a little higher than the last time. Keep your chest open, shoulders away from the ear, and then exhale, lower down. Again, inhale, go all the way up, 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 and if possible, lift your knees off the yoga mat. Breathe. Exhale, gently drop, and then release. Here, relax. In Makarasana, you can change the face side from right to left. And then at this point, come in a child pose to counter your all the back bend and breathe. Breathe nicely. Now from here, inhale and get into a extended puppy pose where your hips are facing the ceiling, hands are extended in front of the body as far as it can go, heart is melting like it's going to touch the yoga mat, and you keep yourself aligned while you breathe, keep your legs active, engaged, and then from here, drop your arms and lift your knees off and get into a elbow plank. Hold it up there and breathe. Keep your core engaged. Breathe nicely. And then drop your knee and relax. Now from here, we will be practicing some dolphin push-up. And for that, you bring your heels up if that gives you more depth, and you keep pushing yourself forward and back while keeping the hips up facing the ceiling. You can do 10 to 20 rounds as per your ease and comfort. Keep pushing forward and breathing, of course. And then relax and gently drop your knee. And then relax at this point again. And then drop your hip also down over the heels. And take this time to relax. Now from here, sit upright. Bring your feet together. Grab feet using both the hands and then breathe. Bring your feet close to the groin with your ease and comfort, and flap away the knees to the sides and keep pushing it down. Now extend the arms in front of the body and lower your forward body as far as you can go with all the comfort. Breathe here. Inhale. Sit upright. Breathe nicely. And hands over the chest and belly. Breathe. Use this time to connect with your breath and let your body feel the connect with yourself and with your breath, and let your all the muscles which you have worked so far through this flow feel relaxed and ready to start your day. First, as you inhale, you feel how your belly comes out, and as you exhale, you feel your belly is going in. Inhale, feel the belly coming out. Exhale, belly goes in. As I say so, you continuously being aware how you are breathing, and to start with your groin, sit bones feel relaxed. Your legs, your knees, your feet feel relaxed and in ease and in comfort. Let your chest being open, ready to face the day, ready to face all the challenges with a positive attitude. Let your belly, lower belly, upper belly, rib cage, chest, shoulder blade, shoulder, upper spine, middle spine, lower spine feeling relaxed. Your neck, back of the neck, and your whole head, your face, your hands feeling relaxed and comfortable to start the day. Tell yourself a big thank you for choosing to practice to start your day in this manner. And whenever you do so, start making some gentle movements, and then eventually rub your palms. Gather the energy over the face, over the arms, over the body. and then eventually look in between the palm and end your practice. I wish you an incredible day ahead. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.